Today we're going to talk about the three largest fails that happen in the kitchen renovation plan. This is Dawson with Ray Cabinetry, and I'm David with Highland Cabinetry Colorado.
Number 3 is planning out your fillers. Everyone with a wall-to-wall enclosure, you're trying to put cabinets, you're trying to get as many cabinets as possible, but you want to make sure you have enough filler material that you're not pinching off and you have to change something last minute. So it's good to have about 1 inch plus on each side for fillers.
Because the walls aren't plumb, you've got some things that's happening in the field that you want to be mindful of.
Yeah, everyone tries to do like the smallest amount of filler and then that wall can change a 1/2 inch and then you're gonna have to change that entire cabinet
Blows
size.
the cabinet layout.
Exactly.
Okay. What's number 2?
Number 2 would be your inside corners. So in smaller kitchens, I see a lot of times they put the sink and then they put the dishwasher and then that's the corner. And then they have a drawer that opens this way and a dishwasher that opens that way. Once you put hardware on that drawer, you're not gonna be able to fix it.
Yeah, the inside corner's busted, you can't get drawers open, you can't open the dishwasher.
Exactly, so you need to have filler or a Lazy Susan would be great in that corner to kind of open it up. A lot of people don't think about the doors open, the drawers open, and all your appliances open. You need to be aware of how everything moves.
There's going to be trouble in that inside
Exactly.
corner. Okay.
Fridge opening gets in the way.
So flow.
The fridge hitting the island.
Okay.
Be aware of everything opening and closing and how that's going to operate.
All right. What's the number one thing that we see all day long?
So the number one thing is to check your layout in the field. Once you have your layout, you think everything's great, before you order, go and actually measure it on the wall, draw your cabinets on the wall.
So you're field verifying everything, that everything is gonna work as it's intended.
Exactly, so wanna make sure your electrical lands in the right spot, the electrical's high enough to actually land in the cabinet if you have it in the cabinet. Your plumbing's in the right spot. You don't want your appliances to land in the wrong spot and you have to run to an outlet, or you don't want an outlet to land in the middle of a cabinet.
So make sure you know the interior space of where the cabinet's gonna be, put the mechanicals in the right place. And the other thing is that we see that are blown all the time is the height of the ceiling and the height of the upper cabinets. I can't tell you how many times that gets blown. I get calls all day long that they've got the wrong size uppers, and that's a field verification thing. So if you're out in the field looking, make sure you measure in multiple locations the height of that ceiling. So those are the 3 biggest fails that we see. Hope that helps.